There is something deeply nostalgic about a rainy October day, especially as autumn has settled in completely now. Yellow leaves gently falling from the trees, creating a golden carpet. A light rain taps softly on the roof of a small cabin nestled in the woods. In your hand, a cup of hot tea radiates warmth. You take a deep breath, grounding you in the present moment. As the seasons shift, there's a quiet magic that unfolds, inviting us to pause, reflect, and adapt, both mind and body. Autumn is, by nature, a time of change. The vibrant greens of summer give way to a palette of amber, crimson, and gold, signaling a slow retreat of warmth and light. It's a season of contrasts, of cool mornings and sunny afternoons, of nature's final burst of color before the quiet slumber of winter. The shifting seasons often stir something within us. The crisp air carries a hint of melancholy, as though summer's carefree days are slipping through our fingers. At the same time, there's comfort in the coziness that autumn brings. The pull towards warmth, the desire to curl up with a good book or take a long walk through the woods with leaves crunching beneath your boots. Yet, with these changes, it's common to feel an emotional and physical shift. The dwindling daylight can leave us feeling a little more introspective or even lethargic. Some might find themselves missing the sun, while others embrace the stillness of the season. The key is to recognize that these changes are natural and find ways to adapt. As the seasons change, so should our approach to self-care. Autumn, with its quieter energy, asks us to slow down, to find balance, and to nurture ourselves in more intentional ways. To embrace the rhythm of nature, autumn encourages us to let go, just as the trees shed their leaves of things that no longer serve us. This can be a wonderful time to declutter not just our homes but our minds. Maybe journaling or meditation can help process the feelings of loss or change, allowing us to realign with the natural rhythm around us. Nature's beauty in autumn reminds us to be present and to enjoy the fleeting moments. Autumn is a fleeting season, a bridge between the brightness of summer and the stillness of winter. It is easy to feel a sense of longing as these days grow darker, But there are ways to hold on to the good feelings and the magic of the season while preparing for winter. Each day of autumn brings something new. Today, the light might filter through yellow leaves in a way that takes your breath away, and tomorrow, the scent of rain on fallen leaves might transport you to your childhood memories. Allow yourself to pause and savor these small moments of beauty. Winter is coming, but that doesn't have to be a daunting thought. Autumn is a season of preparation, of gathering both physically and emotionally. Use this time to prepare for winter in a way that feels nurturing. You can stock up on your favorite teas, gather some nice cozy blankets, and make plans for cozy nights by the fire. Knowing that these comforts are ahead can ease the transition. As the last leaves fall and the first frosts have already passed, we may feel a mix of emotions, but autumn reminds us that change is constant. Change is constant, and within that change, there is a quiet peace, holding on to simple pleasures, a warm cup of tea, the sound of rain, the glow of a candle, can guide us through the season's transition, keeping us grounded and grateful. As we prepare for the deep stillness of winter, so as the rain falls and the leaves turn, take a deep breath, embrace the shift, and find comfort in the rhythm of the season. The warmth you seek is already within you. Thank you